Welcome everyone to Miss Lena's Kitchen. And this is the getting close to Thanksgiving holiday dinner. And I am making a macaroni and cheese today.
And y'all, we're doing a collaboration with Cooking with Chicago. So she'll make her version of macaroni and cheese and we'll make our of it. And the clip should come in just about now.
Okay, so I'm going to read my scripture. But in your great mercy, you did not put an end to them, abandon them, for you are a gracious and a merciful God. And this come to you from Nehemiah 9:31. Thank you so much for reading of the scripture, and I hope that this will help someone today, tomorrow, or next week when you hear the verse. And I hope you will keep this in mind. I always wanted to help someone when I'm reading a scripture. And may God bless you through the scripture reading. So I thank you all so much. And I want you all to know that the holiday season is right up on us. And we are cooking a few things that will be the side dishes. And the main dish will come across on Thanksgiving Thursday, which is next week. And you will be able to see us cook the rest of the meal that we will have for Thanksgiving Day. I don't know. I've gotten to a little coughing, so my throat is kind of dry. I'm going to take a little swallow of water here.
And y'all, please don't forget, this is a collaboration of Thanksgiving Sides and Cooking with Chicago is making macaroni and cheese. And please, y'all, go check her out and leave in her comments. You came from Miss Lena's page.
Okay, so we thank you so much for watching, and I am hoping that this will be a wonderful side dish for someone. Oh, and I want you all to in the comment and subscribe to Miss Lena's channel. I will appreciate it so much. From now on, and then don't forget to check out us for the holidays and everything. And also, I do have a little cookbook that will be coming out also. So please y'all check that out. And that might be something that you might be doing. It should be ready for Thanksgiving. And also for the e-book, and then on the hardback will be ready in December. So I appreciate, and the ebook is $19.99, and the
hardback is $34.99, y'all.
And the hardback is $34.99.
And the link will be in the description below with the recipe.
And so I sure thank you all. If you are interested, everybody wanted to know about Miss Lena having a cookbook a few years ago. So now it's going to be available. And I hope you all that's interested will be able to get it. I thank you so much.
Okay, everybody, she's making her roux with flour and butter for her macaroni and cheese.
Okay. Now I'm going back to the table. I'm bringing it.
Okay, y'all, she put 3 chunks of cheese in there. This cheese that she used is like velveta. Yeah, that was 3 cups of 1 cup of milk.
I'm going to put the ingredients in here now.
Yeah, she put 2 eggs in there, 2 raw eggs. She mixed good.
Okay, that's onion powder. This is the garlic powder. Okay. And white pepper. I'm gonna put a little bit of heavy cream. It's probably about 1/4 of a cup. And I'm also going to put in the plain cheese, cream cheese with cream. Plain whipped cream cheese, okay. This will be about 1/2 cup. That was left in here. And this is plain whipped cream cheese. I'm trying to mix it in here well. All right, now I'm gonna pour these cheese in. Also. Okay. I'm gonna mix this well, you guys. So
Yeah, this is the cheese she used to make her roux. Called Bongards premium cheese. This is what she used.
they're just like velveta.
And she also used some mild cheddar. Now she's finna put some mozzarella cheese and mix it in with that.
This is mozzarella.
Okay, she's gonna stir that in with that. And that's what I would say, y'all. Y'all put whatever seasoning in your macaroni and cheese as you want. This is just what we use. Okay, she had 1/4 more cup in there. Yeah, we didn't have no carnation, so she using whole milk. She usually uses carnation.
Plus, I used a heavy whipped cream, so that took up the place of the evaporated milk. Shredded cheddar, wine cheddar cheese.
Mild cheddar cheese.
Okay, I'm going to stir this in, and then I'll put some more on top once I get this stirred in.
So she used mozzarella. She used mild cheddar cheese. She used...
And something like...
and she uses Barnard's reduced...
It's like velveta.
pasteurized cheese. And she used sour cream. I'm sorry,
Heavy cream.
Cream cheese and heavy cream. Okay, y'all, she's putting cheese on top.
At 350 for about 25 minutes. It should be ready. I'll be back then. Thank you. Well, thank you all for watching. And this is the final presentation of my macaroni and cheese. And it has about 4 different types of cheese in here with heavy cream and milk and eggs, okay? So this is a very delicious macaroni and cheese. This is very delicious macaroni and cheese. I hope you all will try it. And I know you will like it because this is one of our side dishes that will be for our Thanksgiving dinner. And so I'm going to take a little dip out so you can see it. But I'm not eating because I've already had dinner tonight. So I want you to see how it looks with the macaroni and cheese.
Yeah, this is a collaboration for side dishes for Thanksgiving with Cooking with Chicago. She making her version of macaroni and we making ours.
Okay, so I'm going to dip so that you can see it. I know it's pretty hot. It's just come from the oven. I want you all to see how cheesy it is, okay? So it is very, 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 very cheesy. I know it's going to be very good, okay? Let me get this in the bowl so y'all can see it. I want you to see the inside of exactly how cheesy it is. And I know it's very, very good with all the cheese and the heavy cream and everything.
Real creamy and cheesy, y'all.
That's all I can say.
It's cheesy and it's good.
Let me see. It's so cheesy until I can't get it off the dipper here. But this is very good. This is very good cheese. So you all can see it from the inside right here. Y'all see it right now? Okay. So this would be one of our side dishes for our Thanksgiving Day dinner, okay? So I thank you all so much, and I hope, excuse my voice, seemed like it went down. I kind of got hot and had to cough a little bit. But anyway, I thank you all for watching, and I hope this will be a real nice macaroni and cheese side dish for you all. And the description and everything will be in the box for you all to see it. And I know you will like it. If you like cheese, it is cheesy, really cheesy, if I tell you. And so I want to say I thank you all so much. And I hope you all will take advice on this because I'm going to put this in the freezer. And it will be coming out for our Thanksgiving dinner as a side dish. So Good night, good evening, good morning, good night to everyone. And this is Miss Selena's Kitchen, a side dish for Thanksgiving 2025. Thank you so much. Appreciate you all looking. And I hate that my voice has left me for some reason. I got kind of choked up a few minutes ago, and I don't have a lot of voice left. So I will be seeing you all later. Thank you so much.